In this video, I'm going to show you how to get OBS to capture two screens at once. Let's launch the OBS Studio app. Now we have to add sources. In the bottom left corner of the Sources section, click on the plus icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Display Capture. In the pop-up, click on OK. Click on the Display section and select your primary display. After you are done, click on OK. Let's resize the display a bit so I can add another one in the same scene. Click on Add Source again and select another display capture. In the Display section, select your secondary display. At this moment, I only have one monitor, so I have to select my primary display again, but when you have multiple displays, it will show all of them here. After you are done, click on OK. Resize the display again. If your displays don't fit on the canvas, you can resize the canvas. In the bottom right corner, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Video tab. Click on the base canvas resolution and change the size according to your needs. Here you can see that my canvas is bigger now. You can now adjust your screens according to your needs. Following these steps, you can easily use two screens at once.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.